So it's our first day in Seoul, and what you're about to see is a clip. It's Kiwiman Scale Modelling Academy, and we have to put this in context. Basically, we're in an Asian country, we're in Korea, and if you're Western, so you're from North America or from Europe, you may be afforded more space for your hobby. So if you haven't got the space for a hobby, what do you do? And we met Sherman Kangs, and basically what he's done, and it's over 10 years, he's rented commercial space, and it's a full-time hobby shop with dedicated modelers. He said there was 6 scale modelers that have been there over the last 10 years. They have all the supplies there, and they're able to work obviously in peace, and at the end of the day as well they can display the models there. So quite unique club to see, and Sherman did explain to me that there is a few other clubs like that. It was interesting, a bit of an eye-opener for myself to see that. I think you're really going to enjoy what you see. There's obviously a lot of dedication and passion in Korea, and what followed, actually, we had a conversation about modelling in Korea as opposed to Europe, from my perspective in the UK, and Pere speaking from Spain, and maybe the military scale modelling, or scale modelling that's more factually based, as in model cars, model ships, tanks, airplanes, is very much declining. And I was surprised to hear that in Asia, but the fact sort of remains. So it's the more mature guys that are you know, sort of maybe the last generation modelers. But anyways, going to look around, and I was a bit gobsmacked. I was taken away. It was really great to see a great selection of built models obviously displayed, but likewise it's great to see a massive stash like that. Is incredible. Devotion to a hobby. I mean, really, that the amount of kits that you're going to see is pretty mind-blowing. But obviously, let's enjoy that clip. So guys, it's our first day in Korea, in Seoul. We're going to a Scale Modelling Academy. We're going to
The Kiwiman Scale Modelling Academy.
Scale Modelling Academy, of course. In Korea, space is a little bit tight, so this is where that people can come to do the scale modelling. So we're going to have a look inside. In the trash. Oh gosh.
Oh, welcome.
Wow.
Please take a
Oh, thank you.
Mr. Garner. All for you. Yeah.
That must be the stash. It's actually more kits than some model shops, I think.
Well, did you been here before?
Yes.
Okay.
It was, yes.
Yeah, this meeting
Oh
room.
wow. Yeah, it's going to take a while to look around here, isn't it?
Okay, introduce my place. Okay, come on here. Here is the members' place. Members' workplace.
So this is where they can do the airbrushing. They got the
Everything here. Yeah, we have the 8 members.
Yeah.
Each table.
Oh, and this is the work that they're in progress. So F86 Sabre, probably the
Academy one.
Academy. It had to be the Academy one, not
This one. Yeah, Academy. Yeah.
it's a famous one, of course. And everybody keeps their own equipment here as well.
Yeah.
And I have a feeling the guys, they've probably been in the club a long time, many years.
Yeah.
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 How
My
long?
workshop is 9 years old.
9 years old.
Yeah.
9 years in the model shop. It's great.
Not shop, academy,
Yeah.
workshop.
And there's all different genres. So he's doing some.
He liked the figure.
This figure, yeah. This is like a Japanese sort of
small cars.
character.
Yeah, he liked the
Armor?
military and armor. Yep. And this is Gundam.
Gundam, of course. Gundam, of course, popular, of course, in Asia. He's got a good selection. I like these a lot. I've got these myself. These the Mr. Color modulation. I've got that one, and also the Russian green.
He liked the German tank.
German tanks. German armor with the references as well. So he's obviously
just
looking at the references.
Number 3 tank.
Yep.
Yeah, he liked that.
And a bit of Gundam as well.
Gundam, And he's aero modeler. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh well. There's always a few aero models. So they keep their kits inside here as well, and then they display them as well.
Yeah.
Afterwards.
Okay, another guys. Yep.
Gosh.
Do you have lunch?
And this is this soldering for electronics for for lighting?
He's another hobby.
Okay, right.
Yeah, he make some little audio.
Okay, right.
기영 씨 점심 안 먹었다며?
예. 뭐 식사하신 지 얼마 안 됐어요. 비행기.
Of course, it's important to have the spray booths here.
아, 저는.
You can imagine a lot of fumes building up if they didn't have the spray booths. That is nice, isn't it?
Some jewels.
Yeah.
The past.
Gosh. There's just way too many to look at here.
And I'll show you another surprise place.
The private place. This could be interesting.
Yeah, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, that's my.
This is your workspace.
Yeah, and this is my stock.
Oh my gosh! So it's not your stock. This is your personal collection.
All my collection. Yeah.
My goodness, you've got some. Which one is your favorite collection? Like your most rare, or
I
all
like
of them equal?
modeling,
Yeah,
everything. I
Everything.
like everything. Yeah, I have all kind of models.
because you have here. You've got some really big scale cars.
Yeah, for
and
sure.
the motorbike. This is a
very
good.
big.
Good
Yeah.
choice.
Oh yeah. Oh, the 112 scale.
Yeah, but that's a bit old.
Yeah, yeah.
This is the layer.
Sorry, I don't have any card. I forget. I don't know if
And then we have aircraft here.
Like
You have a lot of
You
the
know
same
me,
kit
right?
as well. The Academy MiG-21.
Yeah, because
I built this one myself.
but many different
Yeah.
that card here. Yeah.
yes, 32 years ago.
And here is the armor here.
Yeah.
Inside.
Oh, of course, you've got this. I'm interested in this kit myself, so I might do some shopping when I'm here.
And the old one is backside.
Oh my goodness. This is really incredible. It's all the way from the floor to the ceiling. Is it have you got every single Academy kit that's ever been made? I think so, yeah?
Yeah,
Yeah, for sure, yeah. Yeah. Oh gosh, what a
This
collection.
is an old Sherman. Yeah.
Yeah, all Shermans and M10s. Then some even wow, I don't even think I've ever heard of this manufacturer. Is it the
Trumpeters?
I can remember this is the very first kits that Trumpeter released.
This brand is Trumpeters local brand.
Okay.
Yeah. They use two names. Yeah.
Gosh.
The export and the local. Yep. And this company made many copy from Tamiya
Okay,
Academy.
right. So the origins of Trumpeter there, right at the start. Incredible. A lot of the old Dragon kits, even the old
That's
red
old
box
one.
Dragons, and right up to the smart kits and everything in between. What a fantastic selection.
Arrow, this side arrow. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm looking at some of the old Hasegawa kits. There's one of my favourites, the A4 Skyhawk in 32 scale. I think that one, isn't it? Yes. I've only built the 48 scale ones, but I do like them. What a fantastic selection. And quite a few of the recent main kits, which is fairly recent manufacturer. And the trumpeteers, all the armour, all the Academy aircraft kits, which are
Academy and Tamiya, and this side is the old auto and car.
oh gosh,
side,
even
the
down
old
to
car.
Monogram, Revell,
Cars.
the Hasegawa buses, which are very expensive and a bit collectible now.
Really?
Yeah, certainly. There's just so much here. And the Bandai. Oh gosh, I love the Bandai. I'm military armor builder mainly, but these kits, they really surprise me so much because of the perfection that they put into the Bandai put into these kits.
Where are you from, Mark?
I'm from England.
England.
Yes.
Okay. England where? London?
Yeah, sort of near London.
Near
Yes,
London.
near London. Yeah. Sandhurst. It's a little town. I'll show you the map later on. And this is a brand new kit, the Lucky
new one,
Pack.
yeah.
The Lucky Pack with the Strabocran. Wow, fantastic. And there, I think to show something for Britain, of course, there's some Airfix kits as well. And the Matchbox B17.
And more. Yep.
Let's have a look at some of them.
Old one.
Yeah,
Matchbox,
the old one, the old Matchbox.
Right, yeah.
And the old, can you remember the F-16 cockpit?
Yeah.
Which was one of the kits that I also remember Verlinden featuring inside in his books. It was just amazing.
And this is old figure.
Gosh. This is Airfix, isn't it, as well, is it? It looks like really...
Not Airfix.
No?
No. I don't know brand. This is Airfix.
There they are, there's the Airfix kits. Yeah, the old 54mm motor pose figures. This looks like a white box to my ear, the high-end.
This is Tamiya new one. This is Tamiya present gift to me.
Oh, right, they gave you the white box,
yeah. This is the gift.
Oh, fantastic. Yeah, there's so many treasures. I mean, look at this. There's some Matchbox in between there. Novo, which is like Frog, I think, which was
Frog,
the Frog
yeah.
kits. This is sort of the Airfix intermediate boxings, sort of like 1970s, 1980s, and a classic.
Yeah.
This was, I remember this kit so well. I can remember building this kit as a boy in Holland. I was probably about, maybe about 10 years old, and I remember. Beautiful. It's a real trove inside, a real treasure trove. Yes, look at that. That's fantastic box art, even now. There's the Hobby Boss hat. I built that one. I'm proud to say I built that. And of course there's the Dragon Abrams. I was talking to Perry about the Dragon Abrams. Some people think they're such a bad company and there's so many, but this is one of the best kits they ever made, and it still is one of the best Abrams in my opinion as well. And that boxing there, the aim is like one of the best. It's really sought after now.
Okay. Yeah. Come on.
Thank you so much.